What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Always Occupied Home and Product Reviews, and in this review we are going to go over this drain snake. It says drain soon right there. Metal hair drain clog remover. So I'm assuming that this is metal. That's what they're saying. But you basically use this to clean out your drains, you guys. And I know a lot of people that have plumbing problems. They always have plumbing problems. Everyone has plumbing problems, and a lot of plumbing issue comes from hair. All right. I have done plenty of reviews when it comes to drain snakes and all of that stuff. So I will try to create a playlist with similar products and DIYs of me cleaning the drain. But a lot of clogs come from hair, you guys. Hair and, kids throwing toys in the toilet and all of that stuff. And in the back here are your specifications right here. There goes the specs. Snapshot it. Get used to it. All right. Let's go ahead and take it out. Now, it says 30-inch. And you get 3 of them. And they seem pretty sturdy. All right. So, of course, the traditional drain snake, you just hold it and then twist and pull. So it seems twistable, as y'all can see. I'm just turning it. Now I'm not holding a firm grip, but all you have to do is just hold it, turn it, and it should get the hair out. We will be demonstrating that. So just to let y'all know, this can get a little gruesome if you're not the type that like people cleaning out their drains. Y'all can go ahead and skip the video. But if you're the type that want to see it in action, then stay tuned. I will be cleaning out the drains. All right, you guys. So here we go with the drain snake. If you have never used this before, you will learn how to use it today. So all you simply do is just stick it right in your drain. And when you stick it in your drain, you want to twist. When you twist, you lift up, and there you go. So for the most part, you guys, well, I know men have hair, but it's mainly the ladies. You can't put your hair down the drain and expect it to, everything to go well. Hair always get caught up inside of the drain. That's just the way it is, you guys. So with that being said, let me do one more test and then I will head out. All right, you guys. So now we're going to get into the fun drain. This is the drain that my kids use. So this is their bathroom, and they have long hair, you guys. So I'm pretty sure that I'm about to get myself into some really, really good fun. Once again, do this on your own. Wow. Look at this. This is my kids' hair, you guys. I know I have them start cleaning the drain so they know. So I'm doing this for y'all. It's been a while since they cleaned this, obviously, and I'm definitely using gloves on here. All right. So y'all see that this catches the hair. Pulling it off. And whew, it is a lot of hair in here, you guys. So y'all are having fun watching me clean the drain. So I'm gonna do this really quick. All right. Drain the swamp, you guys. We draining the swamp. All right. I know this is disgusting, but I will give you all the warning. I think I already gave y'all the warning that I'm going to clean my drain. It could get a little gruesome. Some people don't like doing this, so they rather call a plumber. But you will be calling a plumber all the time if you have kids with a lot of hair. You definitely call in a plumber all the time if you don't like cleaning out drains. So yes, this is disgusting to some people. For me, it's satisfying. All right. I get satisfied when I'm cleaning this stuff because I know that the drain will drain perfectly. All right, let's wind it. Let's get this much hair. Woo, you guys, look at that. Look at that, I'm still going. Woo. Ugh. Yeah, that stinks. Smell like old hair grease mixed with old hair grease. All right. I think that's it, you guys. Let's get some more in here. I think that's it. I cleaned out everything that I could. We drained the swamp. All right, so now, wow. So y'all see all of that? Look at all that hair, you guys. So you have little girls that comb their hair a lot, or teenagers, long hair, or boy teenagers, long hair. Whoever has long hair, they comb their hair, it sheds, it goes down the drain, it clogs the drain, and that's the story of your life. And you have to clear the drain, you guys. So that will be it. If y'all have any other questions, comments, concerns, put it in the comment section and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Like, comment, share, and subscribe.